Okay, I'm playing Overwatch and I noticed something. So if you're playing and you're doing Stadium and you go over to Survival, and this is as Reinhardt, if you pick Siphon Gloves, you should get healing when you do melee, right? So let's go over to the robot. Let's take some damage. All right, now, since I took some damage, I should be able to right thumbstick and get healing, but you don't. Now, if I remove Siphon Gloves and instead go over to Survival and pick the Gloom Gauntlet, that one says melee damage will give you 10% move speed and restores health. So if I come back over here, all right, we'll take a little bit more damage. This is still right click, but now look, my health is going up. And you can see the glowing on his feet showing the speed boost. So I definitely think this is a glitch in Overwatch. Well, not a glitch, more of a bug that they need to fix with Siphon Gloves.